Hi everyone and welcome to a new review from Best Free Android Apps. Today we're going to take a look at an app for Android and iOS that allows you to create Facebook covers and profile photos. If you have a Facebook account, you already know that in your timeline you can change the cover. Sometimes that can be a bit difficult to get the results you want, as you don't know exactly the dimensions, and if you want additional effects, that requires a photo editor. With Instant Cover, you basically do everything from within the app. So the only thing you have to do is just select the photo you want published on your Facebook timeline as a cover, add the effects you want, and it will do the job for you. When the app starts, you have the option to log in via Facebook or to proceed without connecting your Facebook account. The advantage of logging in is that you will be able at the end to publish the cover photo directly to Facebook. I'm going to use the other option. There are three layouts: Classic, Trompe-l'œil, and Hall of Frames. You can see from the thumbnails what each of these does. It all depends on what do you want to do with your Facebook cover and profile photo. If you want to have a different photo for your cover and a different one for your profile, then you go with the classic version. If you want the profile photo to be a puzzle piece of the cover photo, as you can see in this thumbnail, you can use the second layout. Or if you want to have multiple photos as part of your cover and a separate one for profile, then you go with Hall of Frames. Let's go with the classic version. This is the location where the cover photo will be, and this is the profile one. It's very simple to use it. So all you have to do is just tap on what you want changed. For instance, right now I selected the cover photo, and you have the option to either take a photo using your smartphone's camera or select one from your gallery. I'm going to select one. I've chosen a very small photo, so it enlarged it. But in a real case scenario, you'll have a snapshot larger than the dimensions of the cover photos. With the existing photo, you can then start adding effects. These are the filter options, where you can add various filters. If you worked before with photo editing software, you'll recognize some of these. Let's select the one where we invert the colors. There's also the option to select the texture. The water drops is one of my favorites. And if you want to change the border, you have a lot of options. There are more than 20 different border types. And you can basically do the same thing with your profile photo separately. When you're done with playing, you can either publish the photo directly to Facebook if your account is connected, or save it in your gallery, or even email it. If you go back and use another template to play around, but you want to come back to the existing template, it will allow you to continue editing what you've already worked on. So that's a good thing if, for instance, you want to have sort of a work in progress. The second type of template is that where, as you can see here, the profile photo is actually a small puzzle piece of the larger cover photo. So when you'll select a cover photo, you'll see the smaller corner being actually a part of the larger cover photo. Let's see if I have a larger version. As with the previous template, you get to apply all sorts of effects. We're using all the effects and textures and border types and layouts they have. You can go up to over 6 million different combinations, so quite enough for you to create the Facebook cover photo you want. The last part is the Hall of Frames one, where you select individual photos. If you tap on one of those, you can see it enlarge. The Holo Frames layout has 3 frames for 3 different images in your cover, and the profile one is separate. You can select a photo for each of them and thus have individual photos. This is a good one for creating an album, as they can be displayed side by side. As with the previous layouts, you get the option to apply all the effects that are available elsewhere in the other layouts. Additionally, you get to choose a wallpaper, meaning the background behind the frames that you already have. That's pretty much it. As mentioned, once you finished Facebook cover, you have the option to publish it either via Facebook, send it via email, or save it in your gallery as an image. That's it. You can download Instant Cover by visiting Best Free Android Apps and getting the link where also you can leave your comment. Thank you for watching.